Welcome to A Song of Joy, where we explore the transformative power of joy in our lives. Today, we follow a remarkable journey of Alex, a talented musician who has lost his way. Alex used to find immense joy in playing music, but over time, the pressures of life have dimmed his passion and left him feeling lost. Frustrated and seeking change, Alex stumbled upon a verse from Nehemiah that spoke to his weary heart. As Alex scrolled through his phone, he read, "The joy of the Lord is your strength." Alex embarks on a personal quest to rediscover the joy that once fueled his music. Alex immerses himself in different environments, seeking inspiration and finding glimpses of joy in unexpected places. Through the process of reconnecting with his music, Alex begins to realize that the joy he once experienced was not merely derived from external success, but from a deeper source. As Alex starts collaborating with fellow musicians, he discovers the joy of community and the transformative power of sharing his gift with others. Alex's music becomes a vehicle for spreading joy and hope to those who listen, reminding them that even in the midst of life's challenges, there's strength to be found. And so, Alex's journey of rediscovering joy through his music continues, a melody that touches the hearts of many. Let the joy of the Lord be your strength. Subscribe and join us next time for more inspiring stories.